Vivomeetings is a game changer for anyone looking to connect seamlessly across platforms. Whether you're on a Mac, Windows, iOS, or Android, this software has you covered. Imagine hosting a meeting with up to 300 video participants, perfect for both intimate discussions and large conferences. And if you need to broadcast to a wider audience, you can reach up to 10,000 viewers in a live stream. It's versatile enough for any industry, from education to small businesses, and even government and nonprofits. With Vivomeetings, collaboration has never been easier or more efficient. It's time to elevate your meetings and make every connection count. Vivomeetings is a game changer for anyone looking to connect seamlessly across platforms. Whether you're on a Mac, Windows, iOS, or Android, this software has you covered. Vivomeetings has completely transformed the way I connect with others. Imagine being able to chat with colleagues, friends, or students from anywhere in the world, all in real time. The crystal clear video and reliable voice calls make it feel like we're in the same room, no matter the distance. It's perfect for busy professionals, teachers, or just catching up with friends. The user-friendly interface means I can focus on what truly matters, the conversation. Sharing content is effortless, making collaboration a breeze. Vivomeetings is redefining connectivity, turning video conferencing into an enjoyable experience. It's not just about. Vivomeetings has completely transformed the way I connect with others. Imagine being able to chat with colleagues, friends, or students from anywhere in the world, all in real time. Imagine a meeting experience where local and remote team members connect seamlessly, no matter where they are. With our online meeting platform, you can host free webinars across all tiers, and for those needing a bit more, Tier 7 offers event registration to streamline your audience engagement. Enjoy HD video and audio quality, streaming up to 1080p, ensuring every detail is crystal clear. Scheduling calls across different time zones is a breeze with our intuitive software, and our mobile apps for iOS and Android keep you connected on the go. Plus, with dial-in numbers available in the USA and Canada, joining a meeting has never been easier. Want to personalize your meetings? Custom branding options let you change logos and backgrounds from Tier 5 onward. And for those in Tier 7, AI-driven meeting transcriptions and summaries make it easy to capture every important point. Stay secure with enhanced options available from Tier 5 and take your events live with YouTube streaming or RTMP streaming. With video recording features and screen sharing, collaboration is effortless. Finally, enjoy a free 14 GB content drive in Tier 7 and manage everything with admin controls. Elevate your meeting productivity and integrate seamlessly with your existing email or calendar applications. This is the future of meetings, designed for you. In today's digital workplace, video conferencing has transformed how we connect and collaborate. Imagine seamless online meetings that work flawlessly on any device, whether you're on your phone, laptop, or in a fully equipped conference room. With real-time intelligence, you can boost productivity with automatic meeting highlights and transcriptions, while live controls and analytics simplify management. No more juggling between platforms. Our unparalleled interoperability means one-touch access to meetings, no matter the device or browser. And let's not forget about security. With enterprise-grade protection, your organization stays safe from malicious attacks, ensuring privacy for every participant. This is the future of collaboration: efficient, secure, and incredibly user-friendly.